Parliament, Honorable District Chiefs, Executives, Neneme, Naname, Honorable Assembly Members, distinguished invited guests, our proud sponsors, fellow citizens of Adon State, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and delight on behalf of the Adon Traditional Council and the good people of Adon, warmly welcome you all and here gathered to this very important, currently uplifting and historic grand derby of our annual Asafotu Fiam Festival. Mr. President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the theme thoughtfully chosen by the Adon Traditional Council for this year's celebration is upholding the discipline of our forebears, sustainable development and unity of Adon. As in nature, the old gives way to the new. So it is the position of new people universally. Therefore, the general expectation is that every effort, morally and spiritually, should be made in preparing the people in readiness for their inevitable leadership role in the future. It is in light of this very important matter that nations all over the world formulate and implement policies towards developing leadership capabilities, and potentials of their people for the huge task that lies ahead of them. It is in this building up process, parents, families, religious institutions, and society at large are major stakeholders in ensuring that moral, spiritual, mutual respect, and other godly virtues are instilled into the people, so that the toil of our forebears do not go waste on the platter of reckless abandon. It is from this premise, ladies and gentlemen, that the character, behavior, and attitude of the people of this generation is of great concern and leaves much to be worried about. Your Excellency, our special guest of honor, distinguished invited guests, Naname, ladies and gentlemen, as our sacred identity, Adon, and for that matter, Dangmes are a well-organized cultural identity. From time immemorial, discipline and order have been the roots of our identity, expression, and practice. This is deeply woven into the fabric of our domestic, communal, and family life. Mention the traditional name of any Adon citizen, and you can tell not only the sex, but also the clan one belongs to, the native village, parentage, and the position occupied by birth in the family. This is our cultural articulation of, and our way of defining one's existence as a continuation